Ma'am, let's go inside. We need to talk to you. You're detained right now for shoplifting, okay?
Okay.
Let's go inside.
Okay.
I'll take this. I'll take this.
Keep your hands out of your
Oh,
pocket.
sorry.
Keep your hand out of your pocket.
Sorry.
Controller? Yep. Do you have any weapons on you, ma'am?
No, I do not.
Okay. Let's take a seat here.
Yes.
Do you have an ID on you?
I don't. Let's see. No, I do not.
Okay.
I have it in my car.
Okay. Let's do this quick, slowly, okay? IV.
IVERS.
The other part. Do you know why you're in this office right now?
Yes.
Okay. What's your social?
Uh,
Okay. There's somebody expecting you at home right now? Kids?
Yes.
Husband?
I have an ex-spouse.
Okay. I'm gonna tell you, like I told you when we're coming in, you're detained right now for a shoplifting investigation, okay? So we're gonna see where's the total. And I'm gonna be very transparent with you. They have more cases work against you, okay? I have seen that face. If I have $1 for every time that I see that face, I wouldn't be doing this.
Yeah.
So they'll give me all the information, and I'll explain you everything what's going on, okay? I just gonna do a quick pat down because I noticed that you were reaching your pockets. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna remove this from you. Okay. You guys good? You good?
So nervous.
Okay. You're all right. You say you have more cases with her, Ty?
Yeah, I'll get you the.
How many cases you have, Ty? You want her to be criminal transferred from this location too?
Yes.
Do you have a vehicle parked outside, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Is it Nissan Armada?
Yes, it is.
So you probably know that we know what we're doing, right? And they've been looking at you for a very long time. So,
I did not know that.
okay, well, I'm telling you now. They've been looking at you, right? And they know, and they've been looking at you and the other targets as well.
Okay.
So, he's gonna give me a total for the whole merchandise, and I'm gonna ask you more questions in a second, okay? Do you use any type of narcotics, man?
No, not at all.
Okay. Do you have to take any medications?
No.
Okay. If you sit straight, you're probably gonna be able to breathe better.
I'm sorry, what?
If you sit straight, you're gonna be able to breathe better.
Sorry, say that again. If you sit straight, you would probably be able to like lean against the wall if you have to.
Thank you. And the total, how much was that? The day, the total, and the number. Okay.